exactly. A piece of jewelry made with leather. I think that describes it perfectly. So guys, yeah, I think that's it. That was all the new bags. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I really enjoyed the week with Kushi. If you haven't seen our 3-part shopping vlog series yet, please go and check it out. Yeah, what do we do today? Today we are on our way to Burglary to meet Dina because she wants to show us something very special. And I think it is just in time for Christmas because they got a lot of new mini bags in, like micro bags if you want to say so. They have a Serpenti version, a Serpenti Cabochon version, a new half moon shaped bags. I'm really excited to see all of these. And yeah, I think they are just the perfect gift, you know. It's a teeny tiny little bag. However, I think it's the perfect gift if you're looking for something really special. And yeah, I would say let's go and have a look. Yeah, okay guys, so very exciting. First of all, let's see what they have on display at the moment. Can we see the iridescent shine of this croc beauty? There we have the gold-plated Caron skin that I have my Serpenti Forever Mini in as well, the crossbody bag. This is the top handle, really cute, and you guys know this is my absolute favorite piece, I think, of all time. And yeah, let's see what else is new. Okay, so this is what we came for. We want to see the new models, of course. This is the half moon shaped bag. I have to ask Dina about the specific name.
Because of the Paraíba, and the Paraíba is the highlight of this piece, because having a tourmaline that has that beautiful Paraíba color, it's like having a diamond in a D-color, flawless. So the rarity of finding that.
Exactly. So somebody was still interested in this bag. It's a one of a kind. It is still available in the flagship store on Pond Street. Yeah. Okay. So here we have the new Ellipse model, and Dina just joined us. Exactly, and she's gonna talk us through the bag.
It comes with a detachable
Ah, okay.
So you can remove this one completely.
Yeah.
And just be worn.
Ah, okay. That is nice. Yeah.
Chain. Now we do have a new chain here in the novelty, and this is the Spiga.
Wow, it's so intricate. Again, the metal work is always
beautiful. And
so
we have
special.
a new shape here of the normal studs. These are the mini.
Nice. Really
head
beautiful.
Of the Serpenti,
it's all in the details.
Based on
and this one has the mother of pearl as well. Yeah, there we can see it. Amazing.
Magnetic lid and then the zip closure.
Nice. That shape you don't see very often. It's absolutely stunning. And of course the Caron skin is so durable. You don't have, it's an exotic skin, so it is very special, but it's so durable, like I said. And it comes with a little raincoat, of course. Yeah, that is the medium size, I think, right? We have the one size up and one size down. So there we have the size
we have
up.
Textured cuff leather in the panel at the front.
Beautiful.
At the back.
Yeah. Oh, that is of course always really
and
good.
Then we have the smooth cuff leather with the details on the side.
Yeah, and here we have onyx stones, right?
Yes. And for the ears we have carnelian.
Oh, yes. There we can see it. Gorgeous. So it's always good to have a little back pocket so you can easily slip your phone or your Oyster card in there. And this one also can be transformed from a shoulder bag into a little top handle. Yeah, let's try it on. So here we are trying on the new Ellipse bag, and yeah, it is such a beautiful new design. I love how diverse it is. So you can either wear it on your shoulder, and it's actually it sits at a nice height, I have to say. It feels very comfortable. It's a very chic bag. It's very casual, but also very chic, right? So you can easily like open and close it. And we have this magnetic closure right here. And look how great. I thought this kind of style is not for me, I have to be honest. It reminded me a little bit of like Prada bags that we've seen in the past, Louis Vuitton bags. But again, like if you have Bvlgari designing a certain kind of bag, it always looks so sophisticated. It always, you know, looks so classy. I'm amazed. I did not expect to like this one so much. Wow, this is actually a nice bag and you can wear it. It's pretty comfortable. So yeah, you can wear it, I guess, on the crook of your arm. You can wear it on your shoulder, just like we did. And the long strap, I think we can do it crossbody as well. Let me show you. Yes, so here it is. Of course, you can, like she said, detach the handle, and then it looks nicer. It's perfect. It's perfect. And the strap is long enough that you can even wear, I think, a thick winter coat and then put it around your body, wear it crossbody, and it's still gonna sit at a really nice height. And I mean, I'm 172 centimeters, 5'7", 5'8", everybody's always wondering. So I think this is pretty good. Even if you're gonna be taller, it's still definitely gonna look amazing. Guys, I love it. I'm confused. This is not, I think, my style of bag in terms of the shape, but I love it. And here we have it in 2 other colors as well. What did you say, Dina? What are the names? Niagara blue. That is also, here we have the smooth leather and here we have the textured one. Stunning. What stones do we have here? Oh, it's onyx as well?
Yes.
Okay.
Let's do the carnelians.
Ah, oh wow. And this one comes with black as well,
yes,
even though it's a cream colored bag. Interesting.
It's a lovely contrast.
Yeah, it's a really lovely contrast. And just for size comparison, so we just tried on the black one. This is the largest size, and these are the medium-sized versions. Absolutely incredible. Oh wow, look at the interior lining color.
That's a nice contrast.
Oh, I love everything pink, of course. That's so my color.
So 1,750 for the large size.
Yeah, and the smaller size?
1,380.
1,380. And then they come in a mini version as well, which hopefully we can show you next time. Yeah, okay guys, so here is the medium size ellipse bag. And I think for anybody who is a little bit shorter than me, it's the perfect size bag for you. So you can wear it as a little, top handle bag on the crook of your arm, or, I mean, how great does this look? Also, I want to show you how it looks like crossbody, because I think, like I said, it's gonna be amazing for anybody who's shorter. Yeah, so here we are. Can you see the difference? The other one was sitting a lot lower, and I think it is absolutely perfect for somebody who's really tall. If you were to wear like a really, really thick winter coat, I would also advise you to go with a larger size. But for like any kind of, summer events or anything, this bag is perfect. You can see where it sits on me. You can detach this little strap if you want to. Of course, you can leave it on there. You can detach it no matter what kind of like lifestyle you have. And if you're running errands on a day and you need to, hold your bag, you need to wear a crossbody, it's amazing. You basically get 2 bags in one. Okay, so let's look at some high jewelry pieces as well. Dina?
This is a very interesting collection called La Festa.
Yeah.
Festa, as in party. And clearly it explains a very unexpected discovery of a gift.
Wow.
With beautiful ribbons throughout the bracelet and the necklace.
Yeah. This is the perfect choice for Christmas, of course, which is coming up. And there we have malachite.
And rose gold.
And rose gold.
Many diamonds. I think there's 74 on the large necklace.
It's beautiful.
40 on the
Let me know what you think. This is definitely something we have not seen yet.
No, and it looks beautiful in the
yeah, definitely.
season of festivity and festive spirit.
It is absolutely amazing, and wow, it is so, so gorgeous. I mean, this is the perfect jewelry if you want to look really, really festive over the Christmas days. Okay guys, and here we are again with the medium-sized Carum Ellipse bag, and I just wanted to show you this on me as well, because it is absolutely breathtaking and stunning in real life. You should see the iridescent shine of this bag. I hope it comes across properly. Can we see that? Can we see the beauty of the skin? It is, Carum is one of my favorite exotic skins. You know that. It is so, so durable. You don't need to worry about it. It's not like a python skin where the scales lift, where you have to be really, really careful about rain, about anything like that. This one, it's just, you don't need to worry about it. It's worry-free, basically. So we have actually seen all the colors this bag comes in at the moment. Of course, there might be new colors in the future, but this is what we have for now. This is such a beautiful blue as well. Exactly, exactly. A piece of jewelry made with leather. I think that describes it perfectly. So guys, yeah, I think that's it. That was all the new bags, all the new colors. Let me know what caught your eye, and yeah, then we see what else we find today. Okay guys, and look at these new colors. So Dina actually said it is very rare, right, for Burglary to create this beautiful color and use it, but it is breathtaking. It is mesmerizing. Let's look at this. The lights are absolutely perfect for this. This is Caron skin as well. It's the same kind of iridescent look that we've seen with the medium ellipse Serpenti bag, and wow, it is absolutely gorgeous. And here we have a patent one. Patent is also really worry-free. I always say that. It doesn't scratch. You can take it into the rain, into the snow. You can easily wipe everything off. It is absolutely... Oh, wow. I love this. Yeah. I know we've seen the white one last time. However, the clasp of this one is so... Wow. That is a piece of jewelry. Is that hammered? That's hammered, right?
Yeah, it's not covered with enamel, but it's got lovely texture.
Yeah.
Almost like...
Wow, for anybody who collects all kind of different Bvlgari Serpenti clasps, this is a must. This is again the black on black, stunning. Here we have seen this before, and wow.
And look, we're using blue agate here also in the head, which matches so well with...
And this is actually silver, right? My eyes, yeah. It is because the green one we've seen, that actually comes with champagne gold. Then here we have a silver version as well, and
the ruthenium.
The ruthenium, exactly. Gorgeous. And guys, look at the Burglary Christmas tree. I can't believe it's already Christmas time again, right?
Even the bubbles are matching.
And that is really gorgeous. And let me quickly show you the top handle bags as well. I mean, we know I still have a Serpenti Forever top handle on my wish list, because that's the only bag, you know, in terms of from the Serpenti line that I don't own yet. And I'm just so in love with the clasp. Let's have one more look. So I guess this is onyx eyes as well, right, on the hammered clasp. And guys, wow, what a beautiful piece. And again, quickly, the blue Caron skin as well, because I feel like with the light here you can really see the beauty. It shines so incredibly. Okay, so look what Dina just brought out. What can you tell us about this masterpiece?
Exceptional masterpiece featuring a star sapphire, the cabochon, surrounded with two lines of diamonds, and stunning turquoise.
Dina just mentioned another really interesting
fact on this beautiful gem. It is a very rare optical phenomenon, hence it's the reason of why we have cut the sapphire in a dome shape to show the star in the middle of the stone.
Yeah, I really hope it comes across properly.
Very extravagant.
Very extravagant.
So
So that was absolutely amazing. We are going to see Dina again next month, because I want to show you all the new tiny mini and micro bags that are coming out. They didn't have all of them in stock yet. However, I've got a little surprise. I've got a little sneak peek to show you. And I would say let's go home for that, and then we do a quick little unboxing and reveal video. Let me tell you, what is in here is absolutely cute and amazing. Okay guys, so we are at home. I would say let's do a quick little unboxing, because I'm really excited to show you this, well, what is in here, because it's the cutest bag you will have ever seen in your life. I would say let's just do it, because that's what we came here for, right? So some of you might already know what this is, because you spotted it in one of my previous vlogs when I was filming with Kushi. And yeah, I could not resist from the moment... Ooh, it's the wrong way around. From the moment I saw it, I was like, yeah, we need this in our life. And let me tell you, so this is only like a sneak peek. This is only like, you know, a delicious little cupcake. Somebody in the comment section actually used that word for another micro bag, and I was like, that describes micro bags pretty well. This is like a delicious little cupcake that will probably make you want more, and I will give you more. So I'm gonna go back again in December to film with Dina again when all their new micro bags will have launched. Like I said before, so they will have like micro Serpenti bags, micro Serpenti Cabochon bags, micro Ellipse bags. Can't open this box. So it's gonna be really, really exciting. But let me show you this baby first. So here we go. This is the teeny tiniest little dust bag I've ever seen. So of course it comes with your paperwork. That should also describe you or tell you that you have like this NFC chip in your bag. All Bvlgari bags come with it, so you can always scan them in with the Bvlgari app and, you know, get all the information from your bag and authenticate it, etc, etc. Are we ready? Is this not the cutest little teeny tiny little bag? Let me show you. So, can we see the beauty of this? Oh my god, and it's tiny. It fits like on the palm of my hand. Oh. Okay, so here we have the heritage clasp that I always tell you about. I absolutely love it. Bvlgari took this out of the archives and brought it back. It is absolutely beautiful. This one doesn't come with any gemstones on top, but of course, if I show you the bigger sister of this teeny tiny little bag, wait, let me show you both of them in their full glory. Oh god, it's like the little baby. Okay, I could not be happier. So this is of course the medium-sized Bvlgari Serpenti Cabochon bag. They recently launched these. This is in the beautiful blush quartz color. I absolutely love it. You know how often I've been wearing this. And this is like the teeny tiny little baby. So here, there we can see, comes with a pink mother of pearl. Can we see? Yeah. It comes with a pink mother of pearl, and this one doesn't have any gemstones on it, but oh, so cute. Okay guys, so let me show you the interior. Let's open this baby up. Oh, there it says Burglary, made in Italy, and then we have one tiny little compartment, and it does have a little little card slots here at the back. I don't know if we can see that, probably not because it's too dark, but it comes with a little shoulder strap. This is the tiniest bag I've ever seen. So this is a slightly different perspective than when I usually film in my bedroom, because I was too lazy to get the other camera out. So we're currently filming on my phone. So yeah, this is how it looks like if you wear it on your shoulder, and you can actually, whoops, how cute is this? What do we think? I love it. It sits at such a nice height. I love it. Yeah, guys, okay, I think that was it for today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, join our little handbag obsessed family here, because we all do have the same luxury disease, yes. And yeah, guys, I see you again very, very soon. Bye.